Find the least number that must be subtracted from 980 so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect number obtained. It means this 980 which is not a perfect square number. So we have to find a least number. Okay. So from that number, when we will subtract it from this 980, whatever the result we will get, that they are saying perfect square number. Okay. So and after that, after finding that perfect square, again we have to find out the whether it is perfect square number or no. And one more thing, if in the question if it is either subtracted or either it is addition, in that case we need to go with the division method. Okay. And if the question it is having us find out the smallest multiple, so in that case we need to go with the prime factorization method. Why? Because in that we will get unpaired factors. From that number we need to multiply with this whatever the number which will be given in the question. But in this, especially in the subtract or addition, we have to go with the division. So to do the division method, we have to make a pair from right to left, and here is 9 is only have a one digit, so let it be as it is. Now for this 9 I am going to take the number perfect square, that is 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 minus 9 we will get 0. Let me take this 80 down. This 3 we need to add here. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now here I'm going to take the number 1, the same number we need to write here. Now 61 ones are, I'll get 61. Okay, now we need to do subtract here. 10 minus 1 I'll get 9, and here it is 7 minus 6 I'll get a 1. So we got the remainder, that is 19. So what we will write, therefore least number is 19. Now for this we will do cross check. Okay, we'll do the cross check. In the cross check, what we will do, according to the question what they have said, when we will find the least number, and from that number when we will subtract from 980, whatever the result we will get, that they are said that is a perfect square number. Okay, let me check that. So first we need to do subtract 980 minus 19. Here it is 10 minus 9 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, and here it is 9. Now we will find the square root for 961. Now let's make a pair from right to left. Here start with a 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Let me take this down, this pair 61. 3 we need to add here. 3 plus 1 is, 3 plus 3 is 6. And let me take 1 here, the same number we need to write here. 61 ones are 61. So after subtraction we got the remainder 0 0. It means after subtraction whatever the result answer we got now, that is perfect square number. Hence what we found the least number, that is 19, which is correct. Therefore, square root of 961, which is equals to 31. In the first sentence answer we got that least number is 19, and after the subtraction whatever the number we will get a perfect square. For that also they asked us to find out the square root. So that is 961 square root is 31. Okay, and this cross check is which is not required because the question itself they have asked in this question. If they didn't ask also like this method is just for the cross check whether we have got this answer correct or not.